Hello, friends, and welcome to another English learning video. In today's episode, we are going to learn new English vocabulary as we look at a picture and talk about what is going on within the picture. So, let's begin. The first vocabulary, the alarm clock. So, number one, the alarm clock. Here we have the alarm clock. Here is the alarm clock. And the time is 10 minutes past 10. The time is 10 minutes past 10 o'clock at night. Number two, the lamp. The lamp. Here we have the lamp. This lamp has a brown color stand. Here is the lamp. Number three, the bedside table. Here is the bedside table. Bedside table. Number four, the wall. The wall. Here is the wall. The wall is like a light brown color. Number five, the floor. The floor. Here is the floor. The floor is green color. Number six, the bed. This is the bed right here. This is the bed. Number seven, the pillow. This is the pillow. She has her head on top of the pillow. The pillow is white color. Number eight, the blanket. The blanket. She has a white color blanket on top of her blanket. Number nine, pajama. The pajama. She is wearing a pink pajama. A light pink color pajama. And number 10, the hair. The hair. The hair. She has black and long hair. Her hair is black and long. All right, so let's look at the second picture. Here we have the second picture. And the second picture, it is a guy, and he is standing in his bathroom, and he is brushing his teeth. Number one, the bathroom. So this is the first vocabulary, the bathroom, and this is the whole bathroom. And he is standing in his bathroom brushing his teeth. Number two, the mirror. The mirror. We have a big mirror right here. You see, there is a big mirror behind this guy. And there is another mirror right here. So there is a second mirror hanging on the wall. the second mirror. And this one is a bigger mirror. This is a small mirror. This one, a big mirror. Number 3, the towel. The towel. There is a small face towel hanging on the wall. It's blue and has a white stripes going across it. Number 4, the toothbrush. The toothbrush. This guy, he is holding a toothbrush. He is holding a toothbrush and he is brushing his teeth. Number 5, the soap dispenser. The soap dispenser. I see a soap dispenser right here. And here is another soap dispenser. Here's one soap dispenser. Here's another soap dispenser. Number 6, the face scrubber. The face scrubber. Right here, I see a pink color face scrubber. There's a face scrubber and is pink color. Right here. Number 7, the shower curtain. So right in this picture, here we have the shower curtain. And here's another one. This is the shower curtain. It's yellow color. Yellow color. Number 8, the wall. The wall. Here is the wall. Here is the wall. And the wall, it's like a mix of orange and red colors. Number 9, the bathroom sink. The bathroom sink. Here is the sink. The bathroom sink. It's white color. It's white color. And here we turn on the water. We turn on the water right here. So this area is the bathroom sink. Number 10, the shirt. So this guy, he is wearing like a blue and white colored shirt. His shirt is blue and white colors. Number 11, the hair. His hair is dark brown. So his hair is dark brown color. All right, friends. I hope you like this type of video where you can learn new English vocabulary by looking at the picture and seeing what is going on within the picture. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next episode.